Welcome to Bus Attendant Training. This training is designed to provide early childhood educators with the basics needed to perform the duties of a bus attendant. Please be sure to check with your local regulatory agencies for any required training. My name is Sharon Haynes. I will be your trainer for today's training. What is the rationale for this training? Well, to begin with, transportation safety is everyone's responsibility. The team approach to transportation safety ensures that rules and protocols are followed. Transportation safety also includes rider and pedestrian safety. Please check with your local child care licensing agency as well as the local and state regulatory agencies in regards to the training required for the transportation of young children. What is the bus attendant's role? Well, the bus attendant ensures that the children understand bus safety and abide by the rules. They work with the bus driver as a team. The bus attendant assists the bus driver with the loading and unloading of children. They check to see if the children are properly seat belted. The bus attendants assist in the event of an emergency. They also assist in the conducting of bus evacuation drills. The bus attendants work with the driver to complete transportation attendance records and sweeps. Lastly, they ensure that the emergency information for the children is brought on the trip. Now we will discuss in more detail the specific duties of a bus attendant. During loading, the bus attendant will ensure that the children wait for the bus to come to a complete stop. They will help the children climb the steps. The bus attendants will seat the children and help them with their seat belts. They will ensure that the small children are sitting in the appropriate integrated seats. The bus attendant will complete attendance, roll call, and sweeps outside and inside the bus. This is Hillsborough County Child Care Licensing's Transportation Attendance Sheet. This form is an example of a transportation log that illustrates the child's attendance on the bus and the times that the visual sweeps were conducted by staff. Once the sweeps are conducted, both the staff and the bus driver must sign the form. Sweeps occur outside and inside the bus after loading and unloading of the children. While en route, the bus attendant will remind children of the school bus safety rules. They will monitor the children during the ride. The bus attendants will model appropriate bus behavior and follow all school bus rules themselves. The bus attendants monitor the seat belts during the ride. Lastly, if an emergency occurs during the ride, the bus attendant will contact the appropriate authorities and the children's parents. While waiting to unload the children, the bus attendants will review the procedures for departing the bus and pedestrian safety rules with the children. They will ensure that the children wait for the bus to come to a complete stop before releasing their seat belts. The bus attendants will wait for the drivers to signal the release of the children's seat belts. They will gather belongings and assist the children down the steps. The bus attendants will enforce pedestrian safety rules after departing the bus. Lastly, they help the driver conduct a transportation attendance and sweep after the unloading of the children. Transportation, pedestrian, and traffic safety are topics that should be taught throughout the year. Each classroom should implement a classroom transportation safety and pedestrian safety program. The classroom should involve the parents in the program. Staff should participate in bus evacuation drills. Lastly, before each field trip, review transportation, pedestrian, and traffic safety rules with the children and staff. Work cited. Hillsborough County Child Care Licensing Regulations through their Hillsborough County Child Care Licensing website. Sharon Haynes pedestrian safety video through the Early Childhood Connection website. Head Start performance standards and other regulations from eClick. Thank you for your participation in the bus attendant training.